Hey everybody, I'm Santos Resendez. Thanks for joining me here at rbdla.com. I want to talk to you about some of the details that I'm using here in the drywall finish. So this is a very modern home, and so what I'm trying to achieve here is a very flush condition with all the elements we're putting in the house. So we're using some very interesting designs when it comes to our air conditioning vent covers, our light covers, and a lot of the reveal metals that we're using where our walls meet our ceilings and where our walls meet our baseline, because we're not using any trim in this house. Everything is completely caseless. So I want to show you something that I'm using here. Now this is an actual light cover, and so what this is for our recessed cans in our ceilings. Now this here is actually a mud-in trim, so these go into our recessed light cans. They get mudded in, and if you see this little square here, this is actually the trim of our recessed light. It's an amazing look because once this is installed, the light looks like it just blends right into the drywall finish. So all you see is the actual lens of the light itself. So this is one of the trims that we're using for our lights, and this is a great option, low cost. Another one here that's great is that for all of our exhaust fans in the restrooms and our air conditioning vents, I'm actually using mud-in vent covers. Now I have these custom made out of a company in New York. And so what you see here is this is actually the vent cover itself. The frame gets mudded in. The great thing about these is that when they're in the ceiling, it actually has a removable grill that comes out. So this is the frame, and then this is what you see in the drywall. So it's an amazing look. You can't beat it. Now these here are the metals that I want to talk to you about. So these are a lot of the trim metals, what we call shadow metals and F reveal metals that we're using on our walls. And so see here, we've got an F reveal metal, and you can see that metal there. Now you're going to have to stay tuned and take a look at some of the finished videos that we have to really see how this looks when it's finished. It's kind of hard to understand now. So this is our F reveal metals for all of our millwork and our wood panel walls. Now this is a great reveal metal also. This is what we create a shadow line on our ceilings. And if you look behind me on our ceilings, you're going to see this where our walls meet our ceilings. This creates a shadow line. Now this is a mud-in F reveal channel, and it's extruded aluminum. So it's a great look. Takes a lot of work. It's got to be perfect or else you defeat the purpose. Now this last metal I want to talk about is actually what's called a shadow metal, and this is what we're using in our door jambs. This is it's a Z-bar, but it's also called a shadow metal or just a reveal metal. Now this goes into our door jambs, and you can see here the profile of it. So this is what we're using to create caseless door jambs. We install our door jambs, we rip a kerf into the back of the door jamb, and we insert this, and this area here gets mudded into the drywall. So these are some amazing details. They're awesome details and elements to a modern home. Continue to check us out on the blog, on the website, www.rbdla.com. Stay tuned for the finished videos of this home. They're going to be great. I'm Santos Resendez. Thanks for joining me.